and mash, away in a flash.
Hi, Addison!
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Are you excited to see your episode of Gisele's Mashup Adventures?
Yes, very.
So am I. Well, we're going to see how it goes. We're going to put all of your words in the mashup mixer and then see what kind of adventure we go on.
Okay.
All right, so let's get started. Let's watch the episode.
Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure.
With me, Gisele!
Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.
What are your 3 words for the mashup mixer, Addison?
Cookie. Deer. And earring.
Our adventure awaits. Mix and mash, and away in a flash. Woohoo! We're in a holiday cookie factory. Oh, icing! Oh, and sprinkles!
Oh no. It thinks we're cookies.
This is our stop.
I'll just take a cookie for later.
Hey, that cookie is as beautiful as your earring, Addison.
Thanks. They're my favorite. Oh no. I lost one of my earrings.
Maybe it's still on the conveyor belt. Where does it lead?
It's going outside.
Lead the way.
Oh dear.
Oh, dear, indeed. It's not just a cookie factory. It's a deer-feeding snack machine. Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Oh no. That poor deer didn't get a cookie.
Aw. I wonder what happened to it.
Uh-oh. I think I know.
That's one determined deer. Come on.
Good thing this cookie dough broke our fall.
We look like snowmen. Or should I say, dough men.
I'm stuck.
So am I. We're free.
Thank you so much. I think this is yours. My earring!
I knew it would turn up.
Aw.
Mix and mash, away in a flash. We're going on an adventure. Imagine all the magic in the mashup mixer. Mix and mash, away in a flash.
What did you think of that?
It was fun.
Do you remember your words? Do you remember that those were some of the words that you had brainstormed with me on our call before?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, and was there any part that you thought was funny?
When we said, oh dear.
Oh yeah, oh dear, and then we see a deer, your deer that you came up with. I also liked it when, the icing landed on us, right? And also, I really like how we end up in the big pile of dough. Like we shoot down into this massive pile of dough. I thought that was very funny. Anyway, I thought you did an excellent job. I think you look adorable, and I think you did an excellent job with your imagination and with your voice that you contributed to the show. So I'm very excited for everybody to see it. Are you excited for your family and friends to see it?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, congratulations on your great episode.
Thank you.